That's why they constantly are flexing and showing, like, especially in my world, I'm an affiliate of Go High Level, and this is how they get their message to the world, because people identify that as wealth. But you talked about your definition of success.
Another tough question. For me, wealth is just being able to not have to think about, where my next paycheck is coming from, and then being able to sustain my kids and make it somewhat generational. And not so much that they don't have to do anything, but at least to give them a springboard so that when they're of an age to doing something that they feel is productive, that they have access to being able to do that. And it doesn't even have to be monetarily. For me, I want to give them the springboard of access. Can I get them connected to the right people? Can I give them access to the right infrastructures or whatever, so that whatever they want to do, there's no reason to say no to it. Everything is there laid out for you. You can go.
I love it. That's awesome.